Inspire Kids Montessori School uses the Dr. Maria Montessori approach, which is designed to meet the unique needs of your child. We partner with you, our parents, who are our students' first educators.
We wanted something more than just a daycare, so this was a way where he could kind of gain more independence and build his social skills.
We like Montessori because it allows my kid to learn really fast.
We offer individualized programs based on your child's ability and pace. At our school, your child will be learning through concrete materials and using a hands-on approach. We promote your child's social, physical, and academic growth, which results in his or her total development. We foster the development of social skills through our multi-age classroom environments, where grace and courtesy is taught and practiced daily.
Each week we discuss a different topic and we have projects.
Montessori allows them to be independent in the classroom. Everything's auto-educational.
The thirst for knowledge is really there. My son, who is 2.5 in the toddler program, he can do everything independently but well. He gets himself dressed at 2.5 and feeds himself.
What was amazing about it is he didn't know that he was actually studying. He just thought he was playing.
So we chose to bring our kids to Inspire Kids Montessori because the teaching staff is very dedicated to our child's development.
At Inspire Kids Montessori, your child will be receiving high-quality instructions delivered by our Montessori-trained and certified teachers who have many years of teaching young children in a Montessori school.
I love working here. The staff here at the school is amazing. Everybody's very friendly, very warm. There's a very warm feeling here, very family-oriented.
I love to work here. Me and Miss Carrie as the teacher, we work together as a good team.
We are family-owned and run and family-oriented. We have strong parent support and a high level of parent involvement.
It is such an honor to have the parents' trust with their children's care and be part of their early childhood educations. It is so rewarding for us to see the children grow into his and her social and academic skills.
We would like to invite you and your child to come and visit our school and see for yourself what we have to offer. We look forward to hearing from you and meeting you.